Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday. It has been a week, that's for sure. Today's video, I'm probably going to get a ton of flack from you, especially because of the way that I have discussed this topic. But I'm caught between a rock and a hard place. I don't even know where to start. There's a whole bunch of things going on. If you follow me in my Facebook group, you'll know what's going on in regards to my job or lack thereof. So I lost my job on Monday and have had quite a few interviews this week, one of which went very well. You know, I'm being selective and I'm going through the process. We're okay. But that was a big hit, especially since we had just bought a house, right? We bought a house over the summertime, and when you lose an income like that, it's a big blow and it's scary. It's quite devastating, to be honest with you. And when you are in a situation like this and you have a history of turning to food for comfort, it can really hit hard. That's what happened. This week has been just absolute horrible. I completely went off ketovore and have not been feeling well, and my body is fighting back. On the flip side, one of you out there, a subscriber of mine who's actually a personal friend of mine who lives just a couple miles away, is a coach for Optavia, and I went through her to buy a box of Optavia for a member of my family who then the other day says they don't like it. They can't stick with it. So now I have inherited back that box that was $400 that I laid out, and now I'm stuck with it. I was trying to see if anybody that I knew would want it, and in my group of friends and circle, nobody did. So I am out $400. I am out a job and have been eating like shit. I'm going to do the rest of what's left in that box. I have to. I have to be very cautious with my money, and it's going to take, if I even apply for unemployment, haven't even done that yet. It's going to take about 6 weeks to even get. So it's retroactive, unfortunately. Fortunately, but unfortunately, because like I need money now. That's why I've been DoorDashing and doing some things to try to make some extra money. So that I can, you know, contribute to the household. What a mess. I hope to have a job within the next 2 weeks. Some of these interviews that like I said, I went on have been promising, and but my headspace is horrible right now.
Self-discipline is the center of all material success. You cannot win the war against the world if you can't win the war against your own mind.
And I know, you know, it's just a matter of time, and I know everything will be okay. But you're talking to someone who struggles, or I'm talking about myself, someone who struggles. You know, it's like, do I continue buying $14, $15 steaks for one? Or do I use the box of darn Optavia that's sitting in my house? I am so torn because I know that it's not the best for my body, but it also works. And I have packed on some weight in the last few days. Not a lot, just a couple pounds, but I can see the trend and I don't like it. So I have to nip it in the bud, guys. So I'm going to use, there's about 3 weeks worth because 1 week had been used. I figured I need to get myself in a better headspace, so that's what I'm going to do. This way I don't have to spend exorbitant amounts of money on the steak, the butter, and all of those things, even though it's economical when you have a job to eat that way. But like I said, I have a $400 box of food sitting here because someone didn't like it. Okay, so if you don't like it, I'm sorry, but I have to do what's best for me. And it might not be best for me, but it's best for me at this time. This is really effed up, to be honest. I'm laying in bed. And I'm about to get up and make some coffee. And I got to even try to see what's in that stupid box. I don't even remember what's in the box that she ordered. We went over it. I was trying to coach. It's hard when you know what to do with the program, but then you know that you're not doing it anymore and you're trying to coach somebody. So I really feel like it's easier to coach somebody when you're on program. That's just me. So I will have to learn it all over again in some sense. I don't know if anything's changed. I have to look. But please be kind. Oh, hi Molly. Molly just came in the room. Please be kind when you watch this video because, like I said, my world right now has been rocked, and I'm going to do what I need to do. That's what we do, right? So I'm going to show you a what I eat in a day video. Haven't done one of those in so long. Look, my babies know. Look who I have with me. Let me show you. We've got Molly. I'm going to turn my phone around. They're all so darn cute. Look at this. I've got Molly. Petunia. And of course, we can't forget little Miss Paisley. So I'm going to go brush my teeth, go to the bathroom, go make some coffee. Holy Lord, I look like hell. My God. All right. Enough with the wallowing. Let me close my window. I always have to sleep with the window closed. I mean open. Because I'm always hot. What I love the most about this is, look. There's my mountains. Woo! There's the mountains. Sorry if the light is affecting. Girls, I have to make the bed when I come out of the bathroom, okay? I guess Jess is already downstairs. He must be. There's my little fan that I have at night. Look, my bed's a mess. Okay, let me go take a shower. Let me go brush my teeth. Do what I need to do. I'm in the upstairs bathroom now. My little shower. All right, so let me go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and I'll see you in a little bit. So here's the box that was dropped off because they didn't like it. And here's what's left. So I don't even know what this is. All right, we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna finish this box. Look, I may as well, right? Sorry it didn't work out for you, and you know who you are. I love you. Let's see if it can help me. Day 1 of Optavia. There's only about 3 weeks here worth, so let's see what 3 weeks can do.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit in.
All right, guys. I haven't had this in so long. I'm kind of excited, but concerned. But 3 weeks never hurt anybody, right? So if I can use the food, take off some weight in 3 weeks, then it's a win-win. And then we'll see what happens after that. But here it is. Cup of coffee with the hot chocolate in it. Ready? Feeling number 1 going down. Oh, so good. So good. So good. Optavia hot chocolate. If you mix it in the coffee, guys, it's delicious. Delicious. Oh, this is so good. All right. I guess what's next to say? I'll see you at the next fueling. All right, next fueling is the cheddar mac and cheese. Haven't had this in forever, but it was one that I used to like. So here it is in my little bowl. This is according to the directions. It's a half a cup of water. So I stir it up really well. Directions here say to cook, here it is, for 1.5 minutes and then let it stand for a minute. I have always cooked this for at least 3 minutes. So I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. I feel like that's what makes these noodles get soft. Because if you only cook it according to the package, I really feel like it doesn't get soft enough. So, all right, putting it in the micro. Just pulled it out of the microwave and I'm going to mix it up. Let's take a look. So the noodles don't look as fluffy as I would like them to be. So I'm going to do another minute. Woo, steam's coming off. Sorry, guys. We're going to do another minute in the microwave and I'll be back. Here it is after another minute. Steam is coming up. Looks a little better, but I'm going to do one more minute. One more minute and then we'll be able to eat it. Here we go. Nice and creamy. Noodles are fluffy. So yeah, 5 minutes would be key, anywhere between 4 and 5 minutes. So I'm going to go eat this fueling now, and I will be back this afternoon when it's time to eat again. Also forgot to mention that I'm working on my first 40 ounces of water. Gonna have at least 2 of these today, which would give me 80 ounces and may have a third if my little heart desires. All right, so a couple of hours have gone by. Still not dressed. I don't know, I'm just feeling like I need a day. So I'm watching Netflix. I will probably DoorDash later. If I do, I'll bring you with me. But it's time to eat again. This is the drizzled chocolate fudge crisp bar. I've already downed 40 ounces of water, working on my second one. Feeling good so far, not hungry, which is surprising because the calories in this are so much less than ketovore. But, you know, it's only day 1. So let's see how the rest of the week goes. But yeah, gonna have this. See you at the next fueling. All right, it's lean and green time, guys. This is tuna with a bunch of things in it and some broccoli, and I'm going to tell you what I have here. Here we have 7 ounces of solid white albacore tuna mixed with 3 ounces of avocado, which would be equal to my 2 healthy fats. I mix that in a bowl, and then I added 2 light Laughing Cow wedges for 2 condiments. So this whole meal gives me my healthy fat, my leanest protein, my 2 condiments, and my veg, which is 3 servings of broccoli, which equates to 270 grams of cooked broccoli. This is the broccoli that comes in a steam bag that you cook in the microwave. Simple, easy, and delicious. Guess what your girl's doing? I couldn't just sit home, guys. I have this thing where if I'm sitting home, I'm missing out on some income, even though it's way less than what I normally would make. Sitting here in a parking lot right now. It's a strip mall with lots of food places, and I'm in a hot spot. And I have my DoorDash insulated bag. See, they send this to you. So when you go places, you can put the food in so it stays nice and hot for your customers. I did bring my last 2 fuelings with me, and I figured this way, if I'm out and about, I don't get stuck. I brought another thing of water. This would be my 3rd one if I drink it. Right now it's filled to the very top because I just got out of the house. I made my first dash. I have no makeup on or anything. I know I look like hell, but you know what? It is what it is. It's raining here. It's icky, balmy, and that kind of day. Jess is home. God love him. He is emptying the dishwasher, vacuuming, doing everything that I would normally be doing today so that I can get out and do this. So yeah, let's have some fun together and make some money. And I will see you in a little while. What's up, guys? I am dashing. Whoop! It's busy tonight. One after the next. Heading back to the hot spot, and it's time to eat again. So I'm having the creamy chocolate chip chewy bar. I'm actually a little bit hungry. This is the first time today. So I'm gonna eat it and enjoy. See you at the last fueling. I am officially parked for just a few minutes. I have my app still going, so in the event an order pops through, it'll notify my screen while I'm filming. And it is another 2 hours later, and I really don't have much of an appetite right now, so I may wait another hour. But I do want to get this video up tonight for you, and I'm pretty sure it's going to take forever to upload because Saturday nights are always notorious for that. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to have at my last fueling. I have a drizzled berry crisp bar, and I'm almost done with this. Would be my third big cup of water, which would equal 120 ounces for today, which is a lot. And I've been going to the bathroom, and my last pickup, I had to wait for the food, so I ran to the bathroom. Gotta do what you gotta do. But anyway, that would wind down my first day back on the 5-in-1 Optavia. Unbeknownst to me, who would have ever thought? But this is the way my life is right now. It's gonna save us some money since it's already purchased, and we'll see what happens. The next couple of weeks, I'm gonna stick to this, and I'm going to need you for support. So please be kind in the comment section. I don't want to hear any negativity, or I will just erase it. I mean, unless you have just lost your job and are in a situation like me, maybe you have something to say. But if you're going to be unkind and tell me that, you know, this isn't good for me and all this other stuff, save it. I don't want to hear it. It is what it is, right? I have to do what's best for me and my family. And actually, I'm kind of weirdly, after this whole day went by, I'm actually feeling really good. So no stomach issues, no hunger. But again, it's only day one. So let's see how this pans out. Please be kind and supportive, and I love you. And remember, whatever plan you're doing, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. You and me and you. 2023 is our year, and we're doing it. No matter what happens, we're here to support one another. Have a wonderful night, guys, and I will check back in with you tomorrow and let you know how my night went. And we'll do, if you want, another day of 5-in-1. Let me know, and I'll see you all tomorrow. I love you. Bye, guys.